Good morning, everybody. You can see the 5 calls I have given for 1 to 5 days. It is from the technical point of view. I have given the call. 2.5% is the stop loss and 5% is the target. First one is Coal India. It is closed around 125.60. The target is around 131. Stop loss is 122. The next counter which I had given is Sea Forge. Close was 2,400. Stop loss is 25.20 and target is 23.40. So stop loss is 2.5% and target is 5%. Third one is MGL. I have given that is 1,063 was the close. Target is 1,117 and stop loss is 1,037. So this is the third counter. Then the fourth counter is Godrej CP. 699.80 was the close, 734 is the target, and 682 is the stop loss. And the last counter which I've given for 1 to 5 days is TVS Motors. The counter closed at 499.70. Target is 524 and stop loss is 487. So these are short-term calls, you can say 1 to 5 days. These calls will close at the end of the uh, on Friday. From Monday to Friday, these calls are there, and we'll be booking profits at 3%. And if it goes above 3%, then the target will be achieved. But par profits we are usually booking at 3%. So let's see what happens during the week. Thank you.